How to optimize Intel graphics for gaming and performance. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you on how can you optimize your Intel graphics for gaming and performance in your PC. First of all, search Intel Graphics Command Center and then click on 3D option, and on Application Optimal mode, make sure it's enabled. In General Settings, go to its Custom Settings and turn off Anti-Aliasing option and apply. Now go back and click on Video option, search for Image Enhancement and select and click on Advanced. Set the driver custom setting Partial Reduction to 0 and apply and click Yes. Now let's move on to another step. Right-click on the desktop and go to Display Settings. Go to the graphics settings and here you can add your any game or software to run it in high performance. Simply click on Browse and add the one you like and go to its options and set it in the high performance. This is how you can optimize your Intel graphics for gaming and performance. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel for more amazing updates. Thank you, see you in the next video.